Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to dropship from 1688 to Shopify. To do this, you want to use this app called CJ Dropshipping. It is a very popular dropshipping app. You can see it has a rating of 4.9 stars with over 9,000 reviews. So make sure you have a Shopify account and that you have that open up in a tab. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, then you can get started for free through the link in the description. Then all you need to do is click install, and then you can confirm by clicking install again. Now here, I already have an account. So for me, I can just go and click authorize and sign in into my account. If you don't have one yet, you can just sign up for free by clicking on register here. But I will just authorize this one. After you create your CJ Dropshipping account, you can then actually connect it to your Shopify store by going to authorization in the left menu here and then clicking Shopify. Now here, you want to click add store and then here click authorize. Make sure you have a tab open and then you can see I have already installed the app. So for me, it just says open. Now it should be installed and connected to CJ Dropshipping. So again, click authorize and confirm. And now you can see authorization success. And that means that I have now connected my store. Now here, you can actually add a 1688 URL. Just go onto 1688 and find a product that you want to sell. For example, if I want to sell this handbag, then what I can do is just take the product link at the top and then go to the CJ Dropshipping right here and enter the 1688 URL and click search. Then you should be able to see the exact product right there. So then you just want to click on it and then it will open up that product. Now you can also see it in English, which is helpful, but you will see all the images right here. These ones look very nice, so this should be definitely do well on Shopify. You can see the recommended setting size is also Shopify. Now, through here, you can also actually contact the supplier to ask for custom packaging and stuff like that. So CJ Dropshipping is a very good tool. Now we want to add this onto our Shopify store. But first, here you can just see the colors, so make sure everything is imported. You could even choose to pre-order inventory and then have it warehoused in China. So then you can actually buy inventory upfront if you want. In Customize, you can post a customization request. For now, I'll just stick with drop shipping. And what I am going to do is click list at the bottom. Then you can list the product onto your store. So here, you need to select your store. Now this is the Shopify store we have already connected. Then choose the product type. Write the title for the actual bag. In this case, and just go and write all of this. Then go to variant pricing, where you can actually set the pricing. Now, this is the recommended retail price. So that is about $15. So you can just choose how much you want to sell it for. You can also see how much shipping will cost you. And then you have your images and videos. And you can select what the cover image is and which images you want in the first place. Then in the description, you can go and write the description and make that however you want. So once you are happy with all how it looks, you can click list it now. And for now, I'll just need to add a category. Click list it now. Now the listing is in progress. By the way, here you can also pick where it ships from. That should be entered automatically, and then where most of your orders will be shipped to. So where's your market? And you can pick the shipping method. For example, you can pick the fastest or the cheapest or anything like that. Now after doing this, you can go to products here and click my products. Then the product should show up right here after it has imported. But that will take a little bit of time. So just wait for that to finish up. Now on my Shopify store in the product section, you can now see we actually have the bag from 1688 imported onto the Shopify store along with the pricing I set. and the cover image, and whatever other images. So that is all you need to do to dropship from 1688 to Shopify. Now, when somebody orders this product on your Shopify store, and you can also see the images and stuff like that all correlate with the actual colors, and it is all done very well, and they can actually go and buy it now. I haven't set my checkout up yet, so therefore, they cannot yet in my case. But now, you have successfully imported the product, and now when somebody buys it on CJ Dropshipping, you can go to orders, and then you will see store orders right here. Then you can see all of your orders, and if they don't show up, just click Sync Store Orders. Then here, select the store, and then click Sync Now. You can actually create the orders on CJ and complete them. Although, you can also set this up to be done automatically. Now you can see in the My Product section, you also have the product here now. What you can do now as well is click on the three dots here, and then click Packaging Connection. Now you can add your own packaging to do this. You can choose any of these packagings from CJ Dropshipping. For example, if I want to have a card in my packaging, then I can create my own custom thank you card. And then that will be added by CJ Dropshipping to the product. Now I could, for example, also do a clothes bag. And then you have these small ones, for example, for jewelry. You can just add your own custom packaging as well. Now that you know how to dropship from 1688 onto Shopify, you are ready to start sourcing products directly from 1688 and listing them on your store. By using CJ Dropshipping, you can easily import products, customize your listings, and set your prices without holding any inventory. CJ Dropshipping also automates the fulfillment process. So when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. The integration between Shopify and CJ Dropshipping ensures that orders are automatically synced, making order fulfillment seamless. Additionally, you can enhance your brand with custom packaging options to create a more personalized experience for your customers. This system allows you to focus on growing your business while the automation handles the logistics and order processing. And that is all there is on how to dropship from 1688 to Shopify. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video. Bye for now.